Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Army 2021 International Military Technical Forum. In this series of videos dedicated to the forum, we will have a look at the most exciting examples of Russian armament and military equipment. SVLK-14 Twilight is legendary for its accuracy at extremely long ranges. It is designed by well-known in Russia lobaevarms gunsmiths. SVLK-14 delivers outstanding performance at ranges far beyond 2,000 meters. In 2017, Lobaev team announced a new world record of sniper rifle shooting. They managed to hit a target at a distance of 4,210 meters. In 2019, a new world record was set when the shooter planted 5 shots in a row in a 50-centimeter diameter target at a distance of 2 kilometers in complete darkness. Shooting was conducted without illumination of the target, in conditions of poor visibility, without the moon, in cloudy weather with fog. This record could not be possible without high-quality night vision optics. The DAL 490 DK3 night vision rifle scope with impressive 9.6 magnification was the right choice. The body of the latest SVLK-14 is made of combination of carbon fiber, Kevlar and fiberglass. The rifle is chambered for powerful 408 or 375 Cheyenne cartridges. In terms of accuracy, SVLK-14 displays less than 0.3 MOA spread of a group of 5 shots on 100-meter distance. Its capabilities are spectacular due to a precisely calculated combination of large caliber, powerful cartridges and superior accuracy. SVLK-14 will be appreciated by shooters who value the ability to hit the target at extreme range with one powerful shot. Stay with us to learn more about Russian military equipment and technologies exhibited at the Army 2021.